Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome back student with a new lecture which is lecture number 4 and it is past and independent tense voices. So actually in this tense we use helping verb was and were when we change active sentences into passive voice. तो सबसे पहले हमें ये जानना चाहिए कि कौन से प्रोनाउन हम was के साथ इस्तेमाल करेंगे, कौन से प्रोनाउन हम were के साथ इस्तेमाल करेंगे. As a matter of fact we use was with he, she, it, I and singular name, while we use were with you, we, they and plural noun. The second thing after helping verb which we have is exchanging of subject and object into each other. कि हमने subject को object की जगह लाना है, object को subject की जगह लाना है. It is must. So after the exchanging of subject and object into each other, then we have a new step which is past participle form of verb. It means third form of verb we will use in this tense when we change active sentences into passive sentences. After that we will enhance by after verb third form. So let's go on. चलिए आगे बढ़ते हैं affirmative sentences की तरफ कि किस तरह हमने एक्टिव को passive में चेंज करना है. So the structure of affirmative sentence is given. Affirmative sentence mean simple sentence जिसमें ना इनकार किया गया हो ना सवाल पूछा गया हो, बस सिंपल जुमला हो. सब्जेक्ट प्लस हेल्पिंग वर्ब प्लस वर्ब थर्ड फॉर्म प्लस बाय प्लस ऑब्जेक्ट. This is the passive structure of affirmative sentence. By following this structure we can change active sentence into passive voice if the sentence is affirmative sentence. So some affirmative sentences are given below. We shall change this sentence into passive by following this structure. The first statement which is in active voice is he wrote a letter. It means उसने एक खत लिखा. The passive of this statement is a letter was written by him. उसके जरिए एक खत लिखा गया. The second statement is they played the hockey. वो हॉकी खेले. The passive of this statement is the hockey was played by them. उनके जरिए हॉकी खेला गया. The third statement is he read the books. वो किताबें पढ़ा. The passive of this statement is the books were read by him. किताबों की पढ़ाई उनके जरिए की गई. Now the last statement is she ate the meal. उसने खाना खाया. The passive of this statement is the meal was eaten by her. खाना उसके जरिए खाया गया. Keep on following the structure of this tense and change many active sentences into passive voice. तो चलिए आगे बढ़ते हैं नेगेटिव सेंटेंसेस की तरफ. तो ये नेगेटिव सेंटेंसेस का स्ट्रक्चर है. इस स्ट्रक्चर के ज़रिए हमने एक्टिव वॉइसेस को पैसिव में चेंज करने हैं जब जुमला नेगेटिव सेंटेंस हो तब. So the structure of negative sentence is same as affirmative sentence, but just one thing which is not is enhanced here. तो नेगेटिव सेंटेंसेस का स्ट्रक्चर भी affirmative sentences की तरह है, बस सिर्फ एक चीज़ जो यहाँ नॉट है इसका इजाफा हुआ है. बाकी स्ट्रक्चर वही जैसा है, सेम ही है. Look at the structure. In the structure, first of all we have subject, then helping verb, then not, then verb third form, then by and then object. तो चलिए आगे बढ़ते हैं सेंटेंसेस की तरफ. पहला सेंटेंस है he did not write a letter. उसने एक खत नहीं लिखा. इसका पैसिव बनेगा a letter was not written by him. एक लेटर मीन्स एक खत उसके ज़रिए नहीं लिखा गया. Now second statement is they did not play the hockey. वो हॉकी नहीं खेले. The passive of this statement is the hockey was not played by them. उनके ज़रिए हॉकी नहीं खेला गया. Now the third one statement is he did not read the books. उसने किताबें नहीं पढ़े. The passive of this statement is the books were not read by him. And now the last statement is she did not eat the meal. उसने खाना नहीं खाया. The passive of this statement is the meal was not eaten by her. खाना उसके ज़रिए नहीं खाया गया. अब चलते हैं इंट्रोगेटिव सेंटेंसेस की तरफ. तो यह स्ट्रक्चर दिया हुआ है. इस स्ट्रक्चर के ज़रिए हमने इंट्रोगेटिव सेंटेंसेस को पैसिव में चेंज करने हैं. So in this structure, first of all we have helping verb, then subject, then verb third form, then by, then object, and in the last we have sign of interrogation. This is the interrogative structure of passive voice. In the interrogator sentences, first of all we have a statement which is did he write a letter? It's means क्या उसने खत लिखा? The base of the statement is was a letter written by him? क्या उसके जरिए खत लिखा गया? And the second statement is that did they play the hockey? क्या वो हॉकी खेले? The base of the statement is was the hockey played by them? क्या उसके जरिए हॉकी खेला गया? Third statement is did he read the books? क्या उसने किताबें पढ़ी? The base of the statement is were the books read by him? क्या किताबों की पढ़ाई उसके जरिए की गई? And now we have last statement in interrogator sentences and it is did she eat the meal? क्या उसने खाना खाया? The base of this statement will be was the meal eaten by her? क्या उसके जरिए खाना खाया गया? थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग। हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें, बेल आइकन को भी क्लिक करें ताकि हमारी आने वाली अपडेट्स आपको मिल सके। अल्लाह हाफिज़।